In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively cut one shape with another in a design tool, enabling you to refine and perfect your graphic projects with ease. We'll navigate this process together, step by step, ensuring you gain the confidence and skills necessary to enhance your design workflow. First, we'll begin by drawing or selecting your main shape, which is the primary object you want to modify. Imagine this shape as the canvas or base of your project. Whether it's a rectangle, circle, or any custom path, this will serve as the foundation for what follows. Next, create or choose your second shape, often referred to as the cutter. The crucial part is that it should overlap the section of the main shape you intend to remove. It's this intersection where the two shapes meet that will define the new edge of your main object after the cutting process. Picture this second shape as a cookie cutter, ready to carve out and redefine your initial design. Now, pay special attention to the Layers panel. It's vital to ensure that the cutter shape is positioned above the main shape in the layer hierarchy. The Z order, which is the order of stacking layers, plays a fundamental role. Your cutter must sit on top, just as you would place a stencil over paper before cutting. Once you have your shapes properly aligned and stacked, it's time to select both shapes. Utilize the Move tool for precision or click on both layers within the Layers panel to make this selection. With both shapes highlighted, you are ready to perform the subtractive operation that will modify your main shape. At the top of your screen, in the toolbar, locate the Boolean operation options. Alternatively, these options can be accessed through the Layer menu under Geometry. From here, select the Subtract Boolean operation. This powerful function will subtract the cutter shape from the main shape, leaving you with a fresh, modified design that captures the essence of your creative vision. Now, here's a helpful tip to enhance your workflow. By holding the Alt or Option key while you execute the Boolean operation, you'll create what's called a compound shape. This approach is non-destructive, meaning the original shapes remain editable, allowing for adjustments down the line without permanently merging them. This flexibility can be crucial in iterative design processes, where revisions are common. Lastly, after you have completed the subtraction, feel free to refine your design further using the Node tool. This tool allows you to tweak and adjust the remaining shape's individual points or nodes, giving you the ability to perfect your creation to meet your exact specifications. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on effectively cutting one shape with another in a design tool. Through this method, you gain greater control and versatility over your projects, empowering you to bring even the most complex design ideas to life.